In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy Cardano, also known as ADA or ADA, which is the third largest cryptocurrency according to the market cap on Kucoin. So for those people who do not know Kucoin is the third largest crypto exchange in the world after Binance and Coinbase. So basically you can easily buy, Cardano and Kucoin because Kucoin is a crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto, alright? So let me show you guys how you guys can buy Cardano over here. But before that, it's me, Richie Kevin, and you're watching One to Step YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. Let's jump right into the video. First step is you want to go to Kucoin.com and log in into your account. After you do that, you want to click on versus trade and you want to go on versus spot trading. I like to go on spot trading because margin, API, other trading, I don't like it. In spot, it's pretty simple, alright? Because in margin, you are basically taking like loan from, Kucoin to, trade, which is bad. Like if you guys know how to trade, it's good. But like for me, I don't like it. So I'm going to go on spot. But if you like margin and you understand what you're doing, you can go on margin future, alright? But if you guys are new, just go on spot. After you go on spot, you want to enter a 6-digit trading password over here. After you do that, basically you want to click on this little icon over here and then you want to search for ADA. Cardano is also known as ADA. So just keep that in mind. And you want to click on where it says ADA/USDC. So basically what this slash means is what thing you are using to buy ADA, alright? So basically I'm using US dollar to buy ADA. So I'm clicking on ADA/USDC. But if you guys want to use Bitcoin to buy ADA, you can click on ADA/BTC or ADA/USDT, alright? Just remember to click on ADA. Don't click on ADA3L or ADA3S, alright? Those are not Cardano. ADA is only Cardano. So I'm going to click on ADA/USDC over here. Once I do that, I'm going to go on versus market because I'm going to buy, Cardano in the current market price. So let's say I want to, use my 20 USDC, which means 20 US dollar to buy Cardano. And once I do that, I can click on buy ADA. And once I do that, my ADA will be bought. So that's basically how you guys can buy, Cardano in Kucoin. So hope you guys were able to understand how you guys can buy Cardano or ADA in Kucoin. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer it, guys. Thanks for watching the video until the end. Stay tuned to our channel One to Step for future video.